kids, I'm back again. In this video I'll explain you how to make many words from or two-letter words from vowels. Okay, so as we know, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. What are these? 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So the first vowel is A. So we will make two-letter words from the vowel A. Okay. So the first word which I can make is A. So A is in am. A-M, am. A-M, am. A-N, an. A-N, an. A-T, at. A-T, at. A-S, as. Okay, so what word we can make? Am, an, at, as. So from A letter vowel I have made am, an, at, as. Okay, now we will move to our next vowel, that is E. Okay, so let's start from E. Okay, so the vowel E. So what word we can make? B, E, B, B, E, B. Next is H, E, he, H, E, he. W, E, V. What it is pronounced as? V. So B, he, V, and that's it. So we can make 3 words from the vowel E. B, he, and we. B, he, we. Okay, now we'll move to our next vowel, that is I. So our next vowel is I. So what word we can make from I? In. I-N, in. I-T, it. I-S, is. So the vowels are in, it, and is. I-N, in. I-T, it. I-S, is. So we have made 3 words from our vowel I, that is I-N, in, I-T, it, I-S, is. Okay, now we will move to our next vowel, that is O. So O. So what words can I make? N-O, no. T-O, to. S-O, so. O-F, off. O-N, on. What more? O-R, or. O-X, ox. T-O, to. D-O, do. So how many words did I make? I made 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 words from the vowel O. N-O, no. T-O, to. T-O, to. S-O, so. S-O, so. O-F, off. O-F, off. O-N, on. O-N, on. O-R, or. O-R, or. O-X, ox. O-X, ox. D-O, do. D-O, do. So what word I have made? N-O, no. T-O, to. S-O, so. O-F, off. O-N, on. O-R, or. O-X, ox. D-O, do. Okay, so these are the 8 words which I made from the vowel O. So our next vowel is U. So what word now I can make with U? U. So U as in up, U as in us. Okay, so UP up, US us, UP up, US us. So the words which I made from the vowel U is up, us. Okay, so these are the vowels from two-letter words, that is A, E, I, O, U. I have made many words. You can try more different words from these vowels A, E, I, O, U. I hope you like this video of two-letter vowels. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.